videotaping.
That's good. Oh, look at this little one over here. Mama's eating some raw lamb. Oh, that's James's favorite puppy breath. Oh, so cute.
Her eyes are about to open too.
Yes, we're gonna see eyes soon. And that one on the end that looks like Alita. Oh, you guys wiggler. If you don't hold it quite as upright, you're like, oh. And when I do the puppy train thingy, and you're on their back, they're like, oh, this is cold. Oh, here's a face. Hi. Oh, getting kisses? Where's my eye? I'm still fine. Did you clean that out, Mama? Here, give me that bowl really quick. Who's this? Let's start giving names. Oh.
Nicknames? This one's Chubby.
Chubby one. Chubby two. Where's your teeth? What's going on, Blue? Here, give her this. I know she's probably hungry feeding all these babies. Here we go. Feeding time.
Oh my goodness, it's so soft.
I know.
Yes. You're supposed to get rid of all this fur before you get these babies. Let me get that fur out of there for you.
What is she working at?
Mail lady? Is she out front?
No, she's up there. It's amazing. Jean.
Miss Vicky's driving by, I bet.
Well, I just want to show y'all just a little snippet of being cuties nest like that.
Oh my God.
Such a good den, Papa. We can't wait to see their eyes. She's gonna be... I wonder how the gene works with the two different color eyes. Like right now, she has brown eyes, he has blue eyes. Could there be a possibility to be two different ones?
Yeah, it happens.
It
Definitely happens. There's a little bit of water left in here. We have to get some more.
Okay, I'm gonna end this video in a second. I just want to zoom in on this guy. He's got this little stripe on his head. So thin. So super cute. Alright.
Listen to those grunts.
I know. And then I like their little legs. Watch out. Oh my God, I get so much warm milk. That's gotta be so tasty. Little legs. Sausage bodies.
What are you doing? What are you doing, little pink paws?
Alright, we're hitting 5-minute mark. Alright, here, this is the wolf pack, and we're saying good day. And the wolf pack is out.
Oh!